What's going on, everyone? Got a 2022 Jeep Compass key fob here. Show you how to open up the remote and replace the battery. So if we flip the remote over on the back side, there's a sliding button right here that we're going to slide to the right and hold down with our thumb, and that's going to unlock the emergency key where we can take it out. Now if you look at this remote, it's got a little crack in it right here. You got to be real careful with these remotes because they're very brittle. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to pry the remote open. If you look, there's a seam right here in the middle. That's where we need to open it up at. So if you go at it with a small flathead screwdriver like here, you take the chance of breaking this. Okay, so you got to be really careful. So we're going to go after this corner here. We're going to put the screwdriver in here and just gently start cracking this thing open. See how it's open like that? If you go here, you got to be really careful because the plastic's super brittle. Should have enough room on the side here to kind of open it. But just go after these two corners. Don't go anywhere in the middle. There's too much going on here. Like somebody else already did this right here. But you can just go around and open it up. On the back side is where the key of the battery is, okay? So then we're going to just take it, pop it out just like that. Battery size is going to be a CR 2032 battery. The positive sign, this positive sign right here, it's going to be facing down when you get your new one. You're going to put it on the contacts first and then locking them like that. If you need a battery, check the description box. There'll be a link takes you to Amazon where you can pick up the right size battery. Get the two halves, start at the top, push it down, work your way down, just lock it all back together. Emergency key goes back in. You're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you could hit that like button for me or leave me a comment. I really appreciate it. Hope to see you again in another video.